So I found this piece of steel in my collection. It's bar, round bar. I weighed it on this scale here, and it weighs about 5,100 grams. So then I just did a little math to figure out how long I needed to cut this to come up with a 2,200 gram weight. And what I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to cut this on this abrasive cutting wheel here, and then I'm going to weld a washer on the top, and that'll be the fastening point for the chain. So these are the calculations I came up with to determine where to cut the bar. I need a 2,200 gram weight. The piece of steel I found, the round bar, weighs, I weighed it on the scale here, and it weighs 5,100 grams. And I measured its total length is 577 millimeters. So I divided 5,100 by 577 to figure out how much each millimeter would weigh. And I come up with 8.839 grams per millimeter. So then I took the target weight that I wanted, 2,200 grams, divided it by 8.839, and I come up with 248.89 millimeters as the length that I need to cut the bar to have a 2,200 gram weight. The next step is to weld this washer here that I've got a hole drilled in right on the top, and that'll be where the chain hooks to this weight. I'm going to try and zoom in so you can see it. So the last part of the process, I'm going to paint this clock weight. Just going to scuff it up a little. So then knock off the loose rust. I'm going to paint it with some oil-based Rust-Oleum here. And I'm just going to hold it with this wire right over here. This clock doesn't have a glass door, so it's only seen by the person who winds the clock. It doesn't need to be brass, anything fancy. I mostly just want to keep it from rusting. And I really don't care about the finish. If it looks rough, that's good. That's fine with me. I want it to look old. So I've painted all three of the weights so they would match. And they're drying right now. It's oil based, so it'll take 24 hours at least before I can hang them.